The carnation isn't just one of the most beautiful flowers in the world, it's also one of the most popular. It's grown on almost every continent: America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Currently, there are five known types of carnations. It's typically used as ornamentation. Carnation season: Spring. When do carnations bloom? Carnations begin to bloom in late spring, usually May depending on the location and variety. Their growing season can last deep into summer, like roses and hydrangeas. Regular cutting and deadheading of blossoms may stimulate new buds and extend a plant's bloom time. Where do carnations grow best? Carnations should be planted in an area that gets 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. They prefer sunlight rather than shade, so keep this in mind. When deciding on their placement when planting carnations, be sure to use well-drained soil that is fertile and slightly alkalized pH 6.7-6.9. What does a carnation symbolize? Love. Following on from devotion, carnations also symbolize love, whether it's familial love, romantic love, or the love of a friend. Carnations will make for a lovely gift for many occasions like Mother's Day, birthday, or an anniversary. Are carnations real flowers? Carnation Dianthus caryophyllus, also called grenadine or club pink, herbaceous plant of the pink or carnation family Caryophyllaceae, native to the Mediterranean area. It is widely cultivated for its French-petaled flowers, which often have a spicy fragrance and is used extensively in the floral industry.